funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
Hi everyone, it's Shanazi. Welcome back to my channel Nezzle and to another vlog. In today's video, we are hashing up in Requin in St. David. We are late as per usual, so I'm just gonna keep it at that. But let's get on the trail. Guys, I really like this trail so far. It's really nice. It's dry out. It's simple so far. We're going downhill, so that's nice. And as I always tell y'all, we're just following some pieces of paper. And today we're doing no walkers because one, we're late. Two, I've been kind of low energy. I was not well. So easing back in. Okay, so we have a circle here. With the circle, there are more than one options, but only one is correct. But because we're so late, we can see that somebody kicked it in the direction that we're supposed to go. So we are going to go left because that's the way they're kicking. Abandoned here, building here.
Why did I stay? I should be leaving. Hear what I say without even speaking. My compass is off, why did I choose you? I'm just too lost, I need to cut loose. I keep it in my head, I keep it locked away. My friends think that this is over. Guess it's the price I paid. Played with the enemy, now I got you on my shoulders.
Alright, so today we're doing the walkers. So the walkers goes up, runners goes right.
Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love.
Guys, I am dying.
Wanna let go, I wanna lose you. Fall out of love as you're supposed to.
I'm beat.
This was a phase that I was a mistake, but I can't move on with something in these days. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love, let me let go and let me.
Guys, so apparently the runners had to go through the sea, so it's a good thing that we didn't choose that option today. I'm winded from just coming up that hill, as you can see from my breathing, but at least we're on some flat now, so that's good. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far though. Don't forget to thumbs it up if you are. Guys, we're about to go down a steep section and it's kind of slippery-ish. It's not wet, but kind of dusty-ish. So we have to be extra careful going down this section.
Let me love again.
Yeah guys, I had to clean off my hands after struggling down that hill. But I'm good, we're all good. And we're carrying on. And this is just beautiful.
Light me up, don't you stop. 'Cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down.
I guess it's not that easy after all. And we had to go in the water. How fun. So maybe I have to use some upper body.
Remember this time when you start on the sinking sand? Yeah. See the channel you got here? Show me how to do it. Come.
Show Son how to do it, girl. Sorry brother earlier. Guys, so this has been an interesting hash so far. Did not anticipate having to walk through the water. Was not really hoping to do so, but my new shoes got properly christened today. Guys, here's a soursop. As you can see, it fell and burst, unfortunately. And this is a tree that it fell from here. I really love soursop. So it's kind of sad to see it fall, but unfortunately sometimes that even happens by me. Like you miss when it's about to fall. But soursop is a really healthy and tasty fruit. So usually when it's in season, I try to pick some. And I'm out of breath, guys. But yeah, I try to pick some and freeze it, so when it's not in season I have to make like soursop juice, or you can make a bunch of other things with it actually, like soursop ice cream. Plus I've heard that the leaf is good for preventing cancer, so drinking it in tea, and it can be helpful to try to fall asleep as well if you're having trouble sleeping. Here we have these arrows just showing us that we're in the right track. Usually it could mean that the two trails are joined, so it's possible that the runners and the walkers joined in this area. So maybe the runners came from on top here, whereas we came from down there. Alright guys, and here you can see on in, so that tells us that we're almost back. Hello, how are you? You good? Having some lunch? Oh no, you're going? I'll go. Oh. Okay. Well, it was nice meeting you. Bye. I'm heading into the hash. Yeah, almost done. Yeah. Alright guys, so we just have to go up a steep hill and then we should be back in.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit.
Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed hashing with us today. I hope you enjoyed seeing a bit of the Requin area. I know we were in the bush for the majority of it, but I hope you enjoyed seeing the nature of it all. So if you did, don't forget to thumbs it up, leave a comment in the comment section letting me know your thoughts on the video, and of course subscribe if you're new, or if you have not yet subscribed, and join the Nezzle Fam. We'd be more than happy to have you. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.
You're not rising. You're not rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you